the functions of Public Debt Management Office. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to highlight the functions of the Public Debt Management Office. Now, the first function of Public Debt Management Office is to carry out the government's debt management policy. The first function is to carry out the government's debt management policy of minimizing its financial cost over the long term, taking account risk. The second function is to maintain a reliable database. Maintain a reliable database for all loans taken by the national government, the county governments, and their entities, including other loans, all right, that are guaranteed by the national government, to maintain database of all loans that are taken by the government, the county government, and other entities. This is database of loans. Then the third function of the Public Debt Management Office is to prepare what we call a medium-term management strategy. Prepare medium-term management. Prepare medium-term management strategy. It's not just preparing, but also updating, to prepare and update the annual medium-term management strategy, including debt sustainability analysis and debt sustainability analysis. This is annual. Prepare annual medium-term strategy and debt sustainability analysis. Number 4, remember we're discussing the functions of the Public Debt Management Office. The fourth function is to prepare and implement national government borrowing plan. Prepare borrowing plan. Prepare the national government borrowing plan. That is the other function of the Public Debt Management Office. Prepare and implement. Prepare and implement the national government borrowing plan, including servicing of outstanding debts. 5. The fifth function is to act as a principal in the issuance of government debt securities. Act as a principal in issuance of government borrowing securities. Act as a principal in the issuance of government borrowing securities. To do what? To act as a principal. To act as a principal in the issuance of government debt securities. And that is on behalf of the National Treasury. On behalf of the National Treasury. Act as a principal. Then the fifth or sixth function is to monitor debt-related transactions. It is the function of the Public Debt Office to monitor and evaluate all borrowing and debt-related transactions to ensure that they are within the guidelines and they are within risk parameters of the debt management strategy. The next function, we are discussing the functions of the Public Debt Management Office, is to process the issuance of loan guarantees. To process the issuance of loan guarantees, including assessment and management of risks in national government guarantees. Then lastly, we can say that the last function here of the Public Debt Management Office is to transact in derivative financial instruments. To transact in derivatives financial instruments in accordance with best international practices, benchmarked to the debt management offices of other governments that are internationally respected for their practices. So these are the functions of the Public Debt Management Office. The first function is in relation to debt management policy. Debt management policy. We say that the Public Debt Management Office carries out the government debt management policy of minimizing its financial cost over the long term, taking into account risk. We also said that this office maintains a database of all government loans. The office also prepares annual medium-term management strategy and debt sustainability analysis. Number 4, the office prepares national government borrowing plans. Number 5, the office acts as a principal in issuance of government borrowing securities. Then number 6, the office monitors and evaluates debt-related transactions. Next function is that the office processes issuance of loan guarantees, and lastly, the office transacts in derivatives financial instruments.